Hello, everyone. It's Amanda Ray coming to you tonight. This is Thanksgiving Eve, and I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to all of those that are out there that celebrate. I first want to start off with that, and then what I also want to talk about is just my online journey, which is what I always come online to talk about. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you don't know much about me, my name is Amanda Ray. I've been online since 2015. And I was struggling and looking for something different other than my 8-time job. And I was online searching on YouTube for work at home, work online opportunities. And I got started with affiliate marketing, which I absolutely love. And what I did is from that, I just learned how to generate traffic and branched out to other opportunities that have allowed me to earn 6 figures from home. And I'm just excited because what I can do is share my knowledge and my experience with others and help to motivate others to get started so that people don't have to be stuck at their dead-end 9-to-5s. So what I'm going to do tonight is just show you a little bit about, just show you some of the things that I do online. And then if you're ready to get started, the information will be in the description below. And if you want to just reach out to me, that information will also be in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. What I'm going to do here is share my screen with you, and what I want to talk about is today is just traffic. And the reason why I want to cover that is because I used to purchase a lot of traffic, and purchasing traffic, for those that don't know, is very expensive when you have an online opportunity that you're promoting, trying to get people to your link and trying to get people to look at your information can be very costly in the beginning. And that was one of the problems that I was having. I just didn't have enough money in the beginning to keep pumping into traffic, and it was allowing me to go broke really fast. So what I started to do is learn how to use attraction marketing and Facebook to leverage opportunities. And what I love about this is that it works fast, and it's something that you can use over and over and over again. And what I'm going to do is point out the reason why it works and why it's so effective and how it has allowed me to generate 6 figures a year within my online business. So this is my Facebook page. And what I stopped doing was using Facebook like everyone else, posting and spamming my link to groups. I started branding myself and letting people know a little bit about me, bringing people to my world. And through engagement, I've been able to bring in consistent commissions. And what that really consists of basically is engaging with people every day and putting up posts for people to see about motivation, inspiration, giving value, and then of course, showing your results. What I want to say about this is that you don't have to do live videos. I do them because it's a way for me to break out of my comfort zone. But if it's something that you are really concerned about or afraid to do, you don't have to do it. I put up information about group things that happen within my team, the amount of money that we make. If we help our team and they have a successful week or a successful day, I put up that information. I give a lot of inspiration and motivation to people. And what happens is I start to get a ton of likes, comments, and shares on my post. And that's allowing me to bring in anywhere from $200 to $500 per day just by posting 4 to 5 times a day. Now people are like, well, how the heck do you do that? Well, when you're on Facebook and you have this much engagement, you make noise. And a lot of people want to know what it is that you do. A lot of people want to know information about what you do. And what I have is a product that's easy to promote because it's basically showing people how to get these results, how to be consistent within their business, and start to see a ton of engagement on your posts that will draw people to you. So just to give you an example, on October 27th, I put up this post and I had 590 likes, 145 comments, and 6 shares. And that made a lot of noise. So what happens is people, they like, comment, and share my posts, and then it attracts other people to me. I want to know what it is that I do. I also have this banner, and this banner, it makes people, it's curious. It's a curiosity banner. So people message me, They get the information, and then I start to get commissions sent to me directly. Okay. So what I do is I teach people how to use free traffic, needing about 1 hour per day, 4 days a week at least, and consistently starting to see results like this, where you have 200, 300, sometimes even 500 likes, which is a lot of engagement. It's going to allow you to earn and generate a full-time income. Okay, so if you click on the description below, you'll see the link to get started. You can also become my friend on Facebook and basically learn what it is that I do. What I love about it is it works fast, it's effective, and it doesn't take a long time to start seeing these results. And normally when you start an online business, you don't get a lot of results right away. You don't start to get traffic right away. And with this, I see that I'm able to do that because the engagement is just through the roof, and Facebook is throwing people to my page because of the amount of engagement that is interested in what I do. It's called targeted traffic. People that are targeted to your niche, okay? So that's all I'm doing, is just giving information, and I'm putting out mostly inspirational, motivational posts, and I show you where to get these posts from. It's out there for the public, and then what I do is I just put them on my Facebook page, and I wait for people to come. So again, if you want information, you can check the description below. You can also reach out to me to have any questions answered. I'm here to help you to get started, to start earning a full-time income. And I just want to inspire people to leave their jobs or have an additional income, work from home, spend more time with their family, travel, and do the things that most only dream of. So thanks again, guys, and have a great night.